Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Knowledge Mastermind. The joyful festival of Lohri is coming. Lohri is not just a festival, it's a celebration of warmth, harvest, happiness, and togetherness. Let's celebrate this beautiful Punjabi festival with a fun Lohri quiz. Answer the questions and learn interesting facts. Let's begin. Question number 1 is Lohri is mainly celebrated in which Indian state? The options are A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Kerala, D. Assam. The correct answer is B. Punjab. Lohri is a popular winter festival mainly celebrated in Punjab and nearby regions. Question number 2 is in which month is Lohri celebrated? The options are A. December, B. January, C. February, D. March. The correct answer is B. January. Lohri is celebrated in January, marking the end of winter and start of longer days. Question number 3 is on which date is Lohri usually celebrated? The options are A. 1st January, B. 10th January, C. 13th January, D. 26th January. The correct answer is C. 13th January. Lohri is traditionally celebrated on 13th January every year. Question number 4 is what is the main symbol of Lohri celebrations? The options are A. Temple, B. Bonfire, C. Lamp, D. Candle. The correct answer is B. Bonfire. Bonfire represents warmth, positivity, and the end of cold winter season. Question number 5 is people gather around the bonfire to do what? The options are A. Sleep, B. Study, C. Sing and dance, D. Pray silently. The correct answer is C. Sing and dance. People sing folk songs and dance happily around the Lohri bonfire. Question number 6 is which crop is closely linked with the Lohri? The options are A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Cotton, D. Tea. The correct answer is B. Wheat. Lohri celebrates the wheat harvest, which is very important for farmers in Punjab. Question number 7 is which food item is commonly offered to Lohri fire? The options are A. Fruits, B. Pizza, C. Popcorn, D. Ice cream. The correct answer is C. Popcorn. Popcorn, peanuts, and sweets are offered to the fire during Lohri rituals. Question number 8 is which sweet is commonly eaten on Lohri? The options are A. Gulab Jamun, B. Revdi, C. Jalebi, D. Laddu. The correct answer is B. Revdi. Revdi is traditional sweet made from sesame seeds and jaggery. Question number 9 is Lohri marks the end of which season? The options are A. Summer, B. Rainy, C. Autumn, D. Winter. The correct answer is D. Winter. Lohri celebrates the end of cold winter season and longer daylight hours. Question number 10 is, which dance is traditionally performed during Lohri? The options are A. Kathak, B. Bharatnatyam, C. Bhangra, D. Odissi. The correct answer is Bhangra. Bhangra is a lively Punjabi dance performed during Lohri celebrations. Question number 11 is, which dance is commonly performed by women on Lohri? The options are A. Giddha, B. Salsa, C. Hip Hop, D. Garba. The correct answer is A. Giddha. Giddha is a traditional Punjabi folk dance performed by women during festivals. Question number 12 is, Lohri is especially important for which families? The options are A. Newly married couples, B. Students, C. Tourists, D. Teachers. The correct answer is A. Newly married couples. Lohri is celebrated with special joy for newly married couples and newborn babies. Question number 13 is, what do people throw into the Lohri fire? The options are A. Flowers only, B. Food items, C. Clothes, D. Papers. The correct answer is B. Food items. People offer peanuts, popcorn, and sweets to the fire as a symbol of gratitude. Question number 14 is, Lohri is related to which type of festival? The options are A. Religious, B. Harvest, C. National, D. Sports. The correct answer is B. Harvest. Lohri is a harvest festival celebrating agricultural prosperity. Question number 15 is, which folk hero is remembered during Lohri songs? The options are A. Akbar, B. Maharana Pratap, C. Dula Bhatti, D. Rana Sanga. The correct answer is C. Dula Bhatti. Dula Bhatti was a Punjabi folk hero remembered in Lohri folk songs. Question number 16 is, which natural element is worshipped during Lohri? The options are A. Water, B. Fire, C. Air, D. Earth. The correct answer is B. Fire. Fire is worshipped as it provides warmth, energy, and protection during winter. Question number 17 is, which material is commonly used in Lohri sweets? The options are A. Sugar, B. Salt, C. Jaggery, D. Honey. The correct answer is C. Jaggery. Jaggery is used because it provides warmth and energy during winter. Question number 18 is, Lohri is celebrated a day before which festival? The options are A. Holi, B. Diwali, C. Makar Sankranti, D. Baisakhi. The correct answer is C. Makar Sankranti. Lohri is celebrated one day before Makar Sankranti. Question number 19 is, which type of clothes are commonly worn during Lohri? The options are A. Western clothes, B. Woolen clothes, C. Raincoats, D. Uniforms. The correct answer is B. Woolen clothes. Since Lohri is in winter, people wear warm woolen clothes. Question number 20 is, what do people say while going around the bonfire? The options are A. Good morning, B. Lohri di Lakh Lakh Vadaiyan, C. Thank you, D. Goodbye. The correct answer is B. Lohri di Lakh Lakh Vadaiyan. This phrase means many congratulations on Lohri. Question number 21 is, which nut is commonly eaten during Lohri? The options are A. Cashew, B. Almond, C. Peanut, D. Walnut. The correct answer is C. Peanut. Peanuts are traditional Lohri snack enjoyed by everyone. Question number 22 is, Lohri is mostly celebrated in which part of India? The options are A. South India, B. East India, C. North India, D. West India. The correct answer is C. North India. Lohri is mainly celebrated in North Indian states like Punjab and Haryana. Question number 23 is, what does Lohri teach us? The options are A. Fighting, B. Sharing, C. Sleeping, D. Competing. The correct answer is B. Sharing. Lohri encourages sharing food, joy, and happiness with family and friends. Question number 24 is, which group enjoys Lohri celebrations the most? The options are A. Children, B. Farmers, C. Families, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Lohri is enjoyed by children, farmers, and families together. Question number 25 is, which word best describes Lohri? The options are A. Sad, B. Boring, C. Joyful, D. Silent. The correct answer is C. Joyful. Lohri is a joyful festival filled with music, dance, and happiness. So well done guys. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like, share, subscribe to Knowledge Mastermind for more fun quizzes and learning videos. Wishing you and your family a very happy Lohri filled with warmth, prosperity and happiness. See you in the next video. Sat Sri Akal and bye bye.